Here it is, the new wheel to replace those ugly OEM wheels. So it looks a little different. Yeah, a lot different, because this one is really old, so it faded, but I mean, I don't really care, honestly. Yeah, here it is. Looks good. Now, I'm gonna take those off, those wheels off, put those wheels on, bring those wheels to the tire shop with those wheels to mount those tires on the other wheels. So let's get into it. One thing is I don't have a jack. My friend has a jack, so I'm gonna have to use the OEM jack from the Z. So hopefully it doesn't take too long and it's not too annoying. So let's get into it right now. Unfortunately, I can't really move the car because the clutch is dead. I'm waiting for the new one to arrive, so don't really have a lot of space. So I'm gonna have to do it like that, I guess. There, I'm gonna take this one off and get the other one. I forgot I had this. This. It's not an impact, it's just like regular screwdriver, but I don't need to tighten this part, so I'm not driving it. There we go. I'm gonna bring it down and do the other side. This one, compared to the other one, is really tight. So have you seen NASCAR? When they go there it is. My neighbors are gonna see this. They're gonna be like, what the fuck is this guy doing? Now time to bring those to the tire shop to mount the tires on those wheels. And then I can finally put the wheels on. This one goes beat up. Alright. I'm gonna leave the car like this. I'm not gonna lower it, just put the wheels just in case, because that's not supposed to leave the car forever. So yeah. Time to bring those wheels back to the shop. Alright. Wheels are all loaded up in the trunk, so now let's go to the tire shop and put those tires on those wheels, and can put those on the car so it doesn't look like that. That's where my neighbors are gonna be like, what the fuck is this guy doing? Like, clearly Look at that. We're here at the tire shop. Getting my tires mounted over there. Shout out to them, man. They took me like hella cheap to mount tires, and they're really cool. So shout out to them. Got the tires mounted on the wheels. Now it's ready to put on the car. That looks so much better. Even the fitment is not bad at all. It's like perfect. Look at that. Don't have much wheel gap. I mean, a little bit. I'm still on stock suspension, so. But I mean, overall, it's not bad at all. So much better. Before, after. That's a lot better. When you're lazy, you just gotta do this. Easy. There it is. Oh my god, that's so much better. That is so much better. Look at that thing. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Also, this is how the eyelids look. I really like the look. It looks so much more aggressive. Looks so in with the lip too. Okay. Also, I haven't really filmed it, but I installed the other fenders. I still have to paint it, but I use those screws. They look pretty good. They're a little big, I might change them, but I mean, look, honestly. I love that angle. I really like that angle. Look at that. Finally, man. This car has been down for weeks because of the clutch, but also the wheels. I hated those. I literally hated those. So glad I have those back. Yeah, man. This car has been down for weeks just because of the clutch, but I ordered the one from Z1. Hopefully it gets here soon and I can install it. I can drive this thing again, man. It's been sitting here for weeks. So this is what I'm left with. 4 infinity wheels, like 2 with tires and 2 without tires. And then the fucked up one. Honestly, if any of you guys are interested in buying OEM, like a set of 4 of OEM Infinity G37 wheels, hit me up on Instagram. I'll also post it on Marketplace and like offer up and stuff like that. So shoot me an offer, hit me up on Instagram if you guys are interested. You can come pick it up. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for staying till the end. I'm really excited that I got those wheels back. Shout out to Wheeltech 360 in Hayward. They were really cool, and they were able to give me that wheel for cheaper than what they were asking for on the website. So shout out to them, man. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.